In this video, I'll show you how you can combine multiple videos into one in Adobe Express. So first, what we need to do is head over to Adobe Express. To do that, open up a web browser, type in Adobe Express, and then you can click on the first one here. You then need to log in the top right hand corner. So log in, create a free account if you haven't. Everything I show you will be using the free version of Adobe Express. Once you've logged in, you'll be on a page that looks something like this. From here, we can go ahead and click create in the bottom left hand corner. And then if you scroll down, you should be able to find video under suggested. If not, you can go ahead and search for that by clicking on the search button, and then you can go ahead and search for video. Either way, we need to get to the video section. I'm just going to go and hover over video and then click create from scratch. So now we're in the video editor and we need to go ahead and drag and drop both of our clips onto the timeline. We can do this by clicking add media, then you can click upload from device. Then this pop-up window will open. You can then go ahead and find your files. So mine are in downloads and I've got 2 videos here which I've selected, which we can go ahead and click on open. It will then add your videos to the timeline. So my first video is a video of the waves crashing in, and then the second video is a video of a guy driving a car. You may have to wait a few seconds to a minute for Adobe to properly process your videos, but then you should be able to scroll through them pretty easily. Now if you wanted to change the order, just left click and hold on the video you want to move, then you can just move it to whatever position it needs to be. In my case, I'm going to put this video first and then the wave crashing second. Once we're happy with this, we can go ahead and click on download in the top right hand corner, download it as an MP4 file, and then keep the original resolution. Then go ahead and click on download. Then once it's processed, it will download and it should go into your downloads folder. From here, you can move it or you can open the MP4 video. Here is our video, and we've now connected both of these clips together. So I hope that video did help you out.